guys, what's up? It's your boy Cornificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing X Ambassadors Belong. Alright, now it's a very easy song and we're using basic chords to play it. Just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning and put your cap on fret number 3. Alright, now we're gonna be playing this like this. First chord is gonna be C, and then you quickly switch to a D minor and then A minor. So that's C, D minor, A minor, okay? And then we go to E minor, C, okay? And then we do that C, D minor, and then this time instead of A minor, we're playing F minor. And then G, C, okay? So for that G, you can put E minor, C again, okay? So the only chords that are actually changing is instead of the A minor, the second time we put an F, okay? So C, D minor, A minor, right? And then E minor, C. And then we go C, D minor, this time we're putting F. And then E minor, C. Again, that's it. Okay? E minor, C. C, D minor, F. G, C. And instead of G, you can put E minor, C. Alright? That's pretty much the whole song, guys. If there's any chords that I'm using here that you're not familiar with, I did a separate video to teach you guys how to hold the chords. So you can check that out. It's on this channel. If you can't find it, just let me know. I will link it in the comment section below. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel. Let me know any other new songs that you need me to interpret for y'all. And leave a like if the video helped you. Peace.